In just the first few months of this year alone, wildfires in Los Angeles and Oklahoma have devastated entire neighborhoods and upended lives. These fires underscore the urgent action for resilient and sustainable development. Our next speaker is someone who is am I on?
Yes.
Yeah. Someone who is deeply committed to tackling the climate crisis and leading sustainable development efforts in one of the most largest and diverse regions in the world, which is Los Angeles County. Los Angeles County Supervisor Lindsey Horvath is one of three people leading the rebuilding of Los Angeles. She could not join us in person today because it is Earth Day and has a lot of other obligations. But since the wildfires have wiped out thousands of homes and entire neighborhoods in Los Angeles, it's unbelievable, guys, to be there and see it in person for those of you that haven't. So she has sent us a short video about LA's rebuilding efforts and the vital role that women play in building climate resilience. I have known Lindsey for probably about 8 to 10 years. She was originally back in the city of West Hollywood and was running things there. She's a wonderful person, and I know she was very upset that she wasn't able to join us here today, but we're gonna get her next year. So we're gonna play her presentation, and you guys can hear a little bit more about what LA is doing around this really devastating situation.
Good morning. I'm Lindsey Horvath, Los Angeles County Supervisor for the 3rd District. Congratulations on launching the Earth Day Women's Summit. Sorry I can't be with you in person, but I am proud to support our rebuilding partner, Global Green, and the Electric Ladies podcast as you lead this important conversation. I'm especially proud that today's summit centers women's leadership in climate action. Women are the backbone of our communities, and so often we are the driving force behind care, behind resilience, and behind change. When women lead, we bring people together to find common ground and tackle our biggest challenges together. I represent more than 2 million residents at the epicenter of the climate crisis, including communities devastated by the wildfires this year, the most disruptive natural disaster Los Angeles has ever seen. The 3rd District is the most disaster-prone in the entire nation, so I take that responsibility very serious. And now, more than ever, we need to be able to mitigate the risks we can see coming down the road. Our top priority is helping communities recover in the short term, with long-term climate resiliency at the center. That's why I convened a Blue Ribbon Commission on Climate Action and Fire Safe Recovery in partnership with UCLA. We brought together 20 experts in energy, water, housing, planning, finance, architecture, and insurance, partnering with local research institutions just like UCLA to create a roadmap for recovery that's rooted in climate science and community needs. The Commission will deliver near-term recommendations within 3 months and broader strategies within 6 months. They'll focus on everything from infrastructure and utilities to building materials and fire-safe design, pulling in lessons from across the globe. They'll also evaluate risks like power shutoffs and explore real solutions to keep energy infrastructure both reliable and affordable. Rebuilding won't be easy, and it won't be cheap, but it is necessary. And we can't afford to keep rebuilding the same way after every disaster. We need long-term solutions that protect people, their homes, and our planet. We're also working to update LA County's sustainability plan, first developed in 2019, with today's data, today's challenges, and your voices. That means new strategies for our forests and water systems, phasing out oil drilling and creating the conditions for high-performance, all-electric buildings that are safer, healthier, and more efficient. To everyone who made today possible, thank you. And to all of you doing hard work at reimagining our future, I'm proud to be in this fighting with you.